Hey everyone, this is Faizan Shamsi and you're watching Fish on Wheels. So today we are going to do a cleaning and a makeover job for a 3 feet tank, and the tank is in worst condition. And first we'll clean the tank, make it usable, and then we'll revamp the tank. So it's going to be a Cichlid tank, and I am pretty much positive that you will like the overall setup and the video and my efforts. So I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting Fish on Wheels. So stay tuned and keep watching Fish on Wheels.